Hello everyone and welcome to the Rupes Bigfoot Detailing Training Academy. So today we have Mr. Nitin who's come here all the way from Mysore city for the training, and over the next few weeks we'll be taking him through the basics of paint, how to decontaminate a car, the various steps of polishing using the Rupes products, and how he can achieve the best results. So
hello everyone, myself Nitin. I'm come all the way from Mysore. So I'm happy to be part of the Rupes Academy and train under Nirmal. I'm hoping for the best.
So as a part of the detailing training, it also includes the PPF application. So here we are demonstrating how the PPF is actually cut in a template for the car. So each car is unique and we create a personalized template. So here we trace the outline for the door. We leave a little edge also. So the extra material is to tuck in. Now each piece is rolled up and we write for reference which part of the vehicle is going to be covered. We have completed the advanced detailing course for Mr. Nitin, who came all the way from Mysore. So we've had quite an exciting time these past few weeks. So now we would like to present him the training certificate, and now he is a Rupes certified detailer. So congratulations and wishing you all the very best for
Thank
your
you, sir.
detailing journey. So we would like to take some feedback from him as to how was the session and what was his learning and how his total experience was with using the Rupes system. So here we do the trainings differently. We don't do a classroom session. We do only a one-on-one mentoring session, which we feel is a much better way at making a detailer successful in the future. So we'd just like to know if you'd like to share with us your experience.
Myself Nitin. I had a wonderful experience at the detailing center. I came here with a zero knowledge, and I would like to thank the whole team, Nirmal and complete faculty. So I use the complete range of the Rupes products and the complete range of the machineries. So I personally love the complete, like, machineries are not overheating. You can use it continuously. Pad quality is also very good, and the Rupes sealant, whatever the chemicals we use for the detailing thing, it's not harmful for the skin or the eyes. I didn't feel any kind of irritation while using the product. So it's totally a wonderful experience. I learned from cleaning the wheels to complete detailing of the vehicles. So I had a wonderful experience. I will thank to Nirmal sir for giving them guidance for my detailing business. So yeah, I had a good experience totally.